Hello everyone. Welcome in this channel. Today we learn English with this short story about Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee, born on November 27, 1940 in San Francisco, was a legendary martial artist, actor, and filmmaker whose influence changed the world of action cinema. He grew up in Hong Kong, where he began acting as a young child. Later, he returned to the United States to study and pursue a better future. During his time in America, he developed a deep interest in martial arts and philosophy. As a martial artist, Bruce Lee created his own fighting style called Jeet Kune Do, which focused on speed, flexibility, and practicality. He believed that martial arts should not be limited by strict rules and that fighters should adapt to any situation. His unique ideas inspired many students and transformed global martial arts culture. Bruce Lee became famous worldwide through his films, including The Big Boss, Fist of Fury, Way of the Dragon, and Enter the Dragon. His movies introduced the beauty and power of Chinese martial arts to international audiences, making him an icon of strength, discipline, and determination. Sadly, Bruce Lee passed away on July 20th, 1973, at the age of 32. Despite his short life, his legacy continues to inspire millions of people. He is remembered not only for his incredible physical abilities, but also for his philosophy, confidence, and belief in self-improvement. Subscribe and channel and like. See you later. Goodbye.